This thing right here is a spaceship right here. Oh, this is some Iron Man shit. Wait a minute, there's lights for the seat belts?
Yeah.
This thing has seat belt lights, man. Oh yeah. If you could tell if it's very fast,
but it's not.
It's not scary.
It's not scary like the Beamers. That's the difference. But it's comfortable.
Yeah, it's very comfortable though. Yo, this thing is comfortable. And it's nice in here too. This is a whole
spacious, you know, 2 screens.
And this is only for just the HVAC.
Yeah, right. So this, I think, this all Audi. Like if you get any 6 Series, it'll be like this
it'll be like this. Yeah.
Like the dual screen, unless you get the lower end, like the 3s. I think it's a single screen, but everything else up above that, I think it's the dual screen infrastructure.
This thing is nice, man. Oh yeah, she goes. And this is stock?
One thing I have intake and one resonator delete.
Oh, okay.
There's 2 resonators. I did one. One.
And it's still it's pretty quiet. It's louder than my exhaust now, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
And it just sounds good though.
Well, it's a V8 versus the inline 6, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't have that rasp like you know, like the BMWs are known for.
Anything you do to these V8s though, they just sound good. You can straight pipe them, cat delete, they just sound good no matter what.
I have the Unitronic tune at home. I'm just waiting to do the tune.
Man, this thing is gonna be crazy with the tune. I know it's somewhere in the 500 horsepower range.
Stock is 590. I think Unitronic says it gives you another 100.
Oh yeah.
To the wheels, and like 75 torque, if I'm not mistaken.
Sheesh. This is the thing that always confused me about Audi though. The volume knob is in the passenger area. Even in like the S4s and all that stuff, it's in the passenger. I don't know about the RS3 and stuff, but
it's a G move by Audi because when you go like this, you can touch a girl's legs.
Oh, I didn't.
You know what I mean?
I didn't think about that.
They set you up. They're like, oh, yo.
The same, like, you know. Wait a minute, did the door just open itself? Felt like I pulled the handle and the door just opened up.
Oh, it pops like
yeah, it pops open for you, right?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, just the seat.
RS6. Wide body. I kid you not, I feel like the door just helped me out.
Yeah, you gotta adjust it to your height.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's like starting up a Samsung TV.
So I have it coded right now. The e-brake's on after every start, so you have to
gotcha.
E-brake.
Oh wow, the ambient light is no joke.
And then right now you're in regular, like you know how BMW have different transmissions.
Yeah.
So you're in regular. If you press down on the lever
One
again,
time it's in
it'll go to sport transmission, and you hear the exhaust open.
I'm about to say, I felt like it just.
Right.
And we're in dynamic mode. Let me get the seat comfortable.
And then the same thing if you want to go.
Oh, that's equivalent to the M button.
Right.
Oh, that's sexy.
Right.
That's sexy. Oh wait,
that's like M2. So instead of 2 M buttons.
Oh, okay, okay.
Right, so, but you just put it back into RS1. Just
so
press
we're
it
good.
Again.
We're good.
Yeah, just press it again. So now back to dynamic.
And then now this is what I'll take, RS1.
Right.
I'm about to say, man, I started seeing traction control turn off. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh yeah, this is nice. The heads-up display is nice too. These cars are very nice.
Right, so at this point, right, like you just gotta pick and choose which one you like.
Yeah.
BMW, Mercedes, Audi, whichever one floats your boat. Everyone has positive points. Everyone has negative points. It's like, you know what I mean? It's just up to you. I don't think one is better than the other by that much. Or,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
I mean, back in the days, they were. It was, you know, the MMI versus the iDrive,
Right.
a huge difference. But now, I mean, you have CarPlay. It's pretty much.
It's all equal.
Yeah, it's all the same thing. Oh yeah, this is nice and smooth. See, this is a nice. You daily this?
Nah, I thought about it, but I was like, it's not worth it to daily.
Got you.
You know what I mean?
This is like a lanyard.
Let me just unplug this.
Oh yeah.
So it does not.
Oh yeah, she goes. Yo, V8s just always have the power. Wherever you want to hit the gas at, it just goes.
It just goes.
Where do we turn left at again?
I think Robin's name.
Oh yeah. Yo, this is smooth. I like this.
Right. So
It feels like a brand new car. Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not like, you know.
But that was a huge complaint on the F90 was that the suspension was just like for the car it was and the demographic it, you know, caters to.
Not the next one.
Oh, the next one. It's too firm. They say so.
Oh, they say it's too firm.
Yeah, they say the suspension. A lot of people who I guess are in the market for the F90 M5, they'll like to jump in. Like they prefer the M550 because the suspension's softer.
A little bit softer.
Yeah.
Right? Gotcha.
I mean, I just go straight M5, but the M550 I actually have to drive one on Monday. I heard the thing is fast.
Yeah.
You know.
Getting all these cars are fast.
Yeah,
Man.
these days, man.
I get more thumbs up than this than the Porsche.
I'd assume so. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't see RS6 really.
Oh yeah, you damn sure don't. Yeah. You know what? You're right. You're absolutely right. That's exactly why. Cause the hips on the 992 is no joke as well, though.
Damn, dude.
Yeah. And then yo, it just looks baller with the ski rack on top, man. It's low. It looks baller, yo. This shit looks nice.
You gotta do a poll in your video. Ski rack or no ski rack? Yeah, should I take it off or leave it on? All right, I need vote down below.
Yo, you know what? The ski rack might, you know, a lot of people might think the ski rack has to go.
All right, well.
I love it though. It makes it, it looks like a land yacht on top of a land yacht kind of thing.
And nothing in it.
Right? Wait, really?
There's nothing in it. It's just there.
Oh, it turns pretty good though.
Yeah.
It's not
it has
bad.
rear wheel steer.
Oh, that's what it was. It's because it just felt like so dynamic in itself. Who is he flashing?
So just gotta keep it moving.
Oh, yo, this thing is quick. God damn. I was not expecting that. Oh wait, we turned left somewhere, right?
Yeah, one of these.
Oh yeah. Yeah, bro, this thing is nice. I see what you mean though. The BMW, you feel like it's gonna kill you a lot more.
Right. I think we're going in here, right here.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. We can go to the next one and then just loop around.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Right here, you could go in.
I don't wanna. We low or?
Yeah, we low.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just cut through there.
Nah, I don't want to startle anybody, you know. You like, oh, right here, you hit the brakes, and the people behind you never hit the brakes.
Right.
Oh, I didn't even feel that. Yo, it's the rear wheel steer. That's what it is. It feels like such a smaller car when you're turning it. Nah, this thing. Yo, I feel baller pulling up, bro. Oh yeah, this thing. There we go.
Just turn this off before it jams on the brakes for you.
Oh.
I hate that feature.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cool. It's like kind of difficult to read all of this at once. Like I wouldn't look at the mirrors, but I'm like, holy shit. Oh, we got enough room. There's some very expensive things to hit here. Yo. Oh wait, turned off like that?
I had to start stop.
Oh,
I
okay,
forgot
okay.
to disable it.
Yo, this thing is sexy. Oh, yo, it definitely does help you open the door.
You feel it?
Yeah. Oh, you on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh. Bro, this thing is nice. So ski rack or no ski rack? I mean ski box or what do you call this? A ski box or?
Yeah, it's a ski box.
Or no ski box? This is badass.
How'd it go?